Hello, my name is Monica Sharma. I am the student of MA Applied Economics 4th semester. My topic is CIS. So the CIS stands for Commonwealth of Independent States. The CIS is a regional intergovernmental organization in Eastern Europe and Asia. The CIS members cooperate in the field of economy, politics, and security. The CIS was formed after the dissolution of Soviet Union, but it is an organization and the CIS is not the successive country of Soviet Union, but it is an organization of independent countries similar to the European country. It was established after the dissolution of the Soviet Union on 8th December 1991. On 8th December 1991, the leaders of Russia, Belarus, and Ukraine met in Belarus and they discussed the creation of the CIS and signed the documents and creating the CIS. And the headquarters of CIS in Minsk, Belarus. बेलारूस की मिन्स्क में इसका हेडक्वार्टर है. Now we will discuss about the history of CIS. In 1991, after the dissolution of Soviet Union collapse, the leaders of the new independent states came together to create the CIS as a way to continue cooperative and maintain the stability in the region. Initially, the CIS was formed as an economic alliance, but it later evolved into a political and military alliance as well. However, the CIS has faced challenges throughout its history. For instance, some member states have left the organization, such as Georgia, which withdrew in 19 which withdrew in for instance, some member states have left the organization, such as Georgia, which withdrew in 2008 after the conflict with Russia over the dispute region of South Ossetia, and Ukraine has the 2018 following conflict with Russia as well. So currently it has 9 permanent members and 1 associated members in CIS. Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Moldova, Russia, Tajikistan, उज़्बेकिस्तान और एसोसिएट स्टेट है तुर्कमेनिस्तान. So who was the leader of CIS? So its general secretary Sergei Lavrov और चेयरपर्सन इसके हैं वॉलेंटिना Matvienko. Its general secretary is Sergei Lavrov and chairperson of the CIS is Valentina Matvienko और इसकी जो चेयर कंट्री है वो है कज़ाकिस्तान. नाउ इसका एरिया कितने एरिया में ये CIS की ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं तो 21.46 मिलियन किलोमीटर में ये एरिया है. इसकी पॉपुलेशन है 245.03 मिलियन, मतलब 3.1% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन में इसकी पॉपुलेशन है. उसकी जो GDP है परचेजिंग पावर पैरिटी के बेसिस पे उसकी टोटल GDP है $5.5 ट्रिलियन एंड नॉमिनल GDP है इसकी $2.5 ट्रिलियन. So the current status of the CIS is that organization has been facing various challenges including political instability, economic inequality and internal conflicts. Despite these challenges, the CIS continues to promote a cooperation among its member states. The organization has various institutions such as CIS Executive Committee, the CIS Inter-Parliamentary Assembly and the CIS Economic Council to coordinate its activities. The CIS has also developed partnership with other regional organizations such as the Shanghai Cooperation Organizations and the Eurasian Economic Union. So what is the future prospects of CIS? The organization faces several challenges including competition from other regional organizations and the need to modernize its institutions. However, CIS has been working on addressing these issues such as through the creation of the free trade zone among its member states. The CIS has also been focusing on improving its relationship with neighbor countries such as the European Union and China. So, this is the overview of CIS. Thank you.